Hello friends, welcome to Navratna's channel. I'm your friend and your astrologer. This channel will provide you information and solutions on astrology, Vastu Shastra and numerology. From today, we are starting on Nakshatra series. As we know, Ashwini Nakshatra is the first Nakshatra among other 28 Nakshatras. We will know what is Ashwini Nakshatra and reveal its secret. Please stay tuned. Today we'll understand what will be the characteristic of a person who has Rahu placed in Ashwini Nakshatra. Let us understand what will be the characteristic of a person who is having Rahu planet placed in Ashwini Nakshatra in their chart. See, let us understand what does Rahu represent. Rahu is also called as a karmic planet. It describes your karma and also describes your family karma. That is your great father, great great grandfather, etc. Rahu also represents attention or obsession. For example, Rahu is placed in the fifth house, then such type of person will be very much attached towards their children. They may be very much attached or obsessed of their education. If Rahu is placed in the first house, then such type of person will be self-obsessed. So Rahu, wherever the Rahu is placed in their chart, such that attribute is been always taken as an obsession for a native. Third important thing what Rahu represent is illusion or a masking capacity. See, the person who is having a strong Rahu in their chart may have the capacity, may have a strong masking capacity. They will portray what they are not. They may be very good in duplicacy, or they may very good in convincing and showing. Moreover, they may be very good in portraying the things which they are not. And fourth, Rahu also represent drugs and poisons. So drugs, poison also of originer. So Rahu, a person who's having a strong Rahu in their chart may have a strong ability to digest any poison or resist any poison uh, in their body. Let us understand what does Ashwini Nakshatra represent. Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra of healers. So this type of people has a tendency to heal or help people. And the symbol for this is horse. Now what does this mean? This type of people will always have a tendency of completing work in very urgent way. Say they will take any work, they will try complete it as fast as possible. And third thing is their application of their energy is to heal, help, or for the cause. If ever they feel like, however, this whichever things they feel they are, it is good or it is for right, they will go for it. So this application of their energy for good, can this energy can be any energy. It can be physical energy, their mental energy, their communicative energy. Any of this energy they will utilize for the cause. And fourth, this nakshatra also represent motion or a movement. So this type of people are more agile. So agility of a person is been seen from this nakshatra. And when Rahu being a illusionary planet in the nakshatra of Ashwini, what is Ashwini nakshatra? Ashwini nakshatra is a application of energy. Being with Rahu makes a person very very clever. It gives them abundance of masking qualities. Such type of person, you will not understand what they are in real. They will always portray according to the situations. This type of people have a quality to copy others and live accordingly as per requirement. They are really multitaskers. They can work according to the company they are. If required sportsmen, if required politicians. If they are with politician, they will work like politician. If they are with a sportsman, they will be like a sportsman. When Rahu is placed there, Rahu being out of society, what Rahu represent? Rahu represent fortune. It represents something which is not in society, which is not accepted in the society, which is something which is fortune. In the nakshatra of a Ketu and DT being Ashwini Kumar, who are healers, makes a person learn the helping skill, or makes a person learn or practice fortune knowledge or subject which are of healing. So subject are of healing, but it is not normal subjects. The subjects like Reiki, the subjects like subject like Reiki, then homeopathy, or subject which is not a normal practice, but it is subject of healing, but which is of origin knowledge of healing. These type of people are very diplomatic. They will be accomplishing their goals at without even disclosing a single interest towards their known one, by their shrewd and sharp quality to assess requirement of the things. Such type of people will not even disclose their objectives, neither they will disclose their aims. They will, they will assess the things with their shrewd nature. They'll accomplish the things, and then they will let people know about it. See, during Rahu Mahadasha, when Rahu is placed in Ashwini Nakshatra, these type of people may become very famous in their society because of their ability of being very sharp and shrewd, and also obsession of their subject, which makes them go get gather attitude. For example, if Rahu makes a person very much obsessed with the subject where Rahu is being placed, when Rahu is placed in Ashwini Nakshatra, where his application of energy with such type of obsession makes the person a go-getter type attitude, and which make in return such type of person being very sharp and shrewd makes them famous. Now, what are the best profession you can see in the chart? When this Rahu is been aspected or in a good yoga with Lord Sun, that is Surya Devata, makes them very much good as a government spy, CID officer. See, what is Rahu? Rahu being very shrewd, being a duplicacy, portraying of the things, and what it does Sun represent? Sun represent government. So Rahu and in conjunction of Sun makes a very good spy, CID officer, or NDA officer, which are hidden officers, or you can say one who is one who is into underworld, to find underworld, such person who goes and captures things, such type of person. When Rahu is in a good aspect or in yoga with Lord Jupiter, that is Guru Devata. See, what is Guru? Guru is Jnana. And what is Rahu? Rahu is something, a fortune. Rahu also represents which is drugs, which is poison. So Rahu here, such type of combination I have seen in the most of the people chart. Such type of combination makes a person obsessed of chemistry, obsessed of biotechnology. They are good in they do research. They are chemistry professors. They can be biotechnology professors. They can be even homeopathic doctors, or medical doctors, or practicing a Forgian knowledge, or learning a Forgian knowledge of healing. Now let us understand what when this Rahu is being aspected or is in a good yoga with Mars. What does Rahu represent? Rahu represent anything which is uh, outside, which is which is not been a society, or we can say pharmacy, drugs. Such, and what is Mars represent? Mars represent energy. Mars represent speed. And what is Ashwini Nakshatra represent? Ashwini is represented by speed. That is horse. So in combination of such yogas makes a very good biotechnological engineers, chemical engineers, car racers, bike racers, etc. When Rahu of Ashwini Nakshatra is in a good yogas or in a good aspect of moon, that is Lord Chandra Devata, makes a person a good politician or a dietitian or a food or drugs inspector. Let us understand what does moon represent. Moon is your plain mind, and what does Rahu? Rahu is something which is you are not. It is a illusion. It also represent duplicacy. It represent masking, and moon is also karaka for day-to-day food. It is day-to-day activity where you can even say water. So when the combination of healing also, so such type of person can be either good into politics, because my plain mind conjunction with Rahu makes a person very shrewd in the things. They can also be good dietitian, food and drugs inspector, wine preparer, etc. Now we'll understand what will be the result if the Rahu of Ashwini Nakshatra is been aspected or is in a good yoga with Lord Venus, that is Lord Shukra Devata. First, what we'll understand, what does Venus represent? Venus represent in entertainment. It represents your creativity, and Rahu represent illusion, masking. So such type of person becomes very good in acting. Such type of person has a ability of masking things. They can be good actors. They can be very good in drama artists. They can be very good in the business of where there is multi talent is required. They can also be good in import export business. Even they can be good in a business of oratorship, or you can say a business like VJ, or video jockey, audio jockey, etc. Now, when this Rahu of Ashwin Nakshatra is being expected or in good yogas with Saturn planet, that is Lord Shani Devata. See, what does Shani Lord represent? It represents anything which is under land. It represents day-to-day activity of hard work. Or and what is Rahu? Rahu is anything which is which is like drugs, or you can say chemicals, or it is also a duplicacy. Saturn is also Karaka for revolution. So such type of person, Saturn being a karaka for politics as well. When Rahu and Saturn in good combination makes the best politician, they will apply their mind in such a way that their politics dynasty being there for long, their politics, their dynasty or their political party will sustain for long duration of time. They can also be into good into agriculture. They can be good into pest control business, etc. Rahu being a planet of illusion, if expected or is in good conjunction with Mercury, that is Lord Buddha Devata, makes a person very good into sales. What is Mercury? Mercury is communication. It is your intelligence. So application of energy in the form of masking that too of Ashwini Nakshatra makes a person very good medical representatives. They are the person who can teach anything to anyone, so they may become very much good in medical representatives, herbal product seller, advertising agency. One of the best comedians are seen from this combination. Such type of person uh, are laughter therapy experts, etc. Now, if this Rahu is afflicted or is been aspected by malefic planet, such type of person may have issue related to head. Since Ashwini is represented by head of Kalpurusha person, such person may have issues like insomnia, head injury, drugs addictions, etc. Thanks, friends, for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.